Welcome back mga kapuso. Best Talk Time na. Kauban si Attorney Resi Rizada. Resi!
Thanks, Arjel! Good morning mga kapuso. Naku, karong buntaga makauban nato si Kendra sa Prima Donnas. Wala lain pa kundi ang premiadong aktres, Miss Aiko Melendez. Maayong buntag, Miss Aiko, and welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kumusta ka na?
Maayong buntag din sa iyo, Miss Resi, na napakagwapa. Sa umagang ito nagpapaganda sa mga viewers ninyo. Maayong buntag.
Ayan, mas gumanda ang umaga namin dahil mas nakita ka rin namin. Ako, how are you coping up with, what's happening right now and what seems to be like the greatest challenge we're all facing ngayon?
Well, I guess everybody's used to a fast-paced life, di ba? So suddenly, in just one snap, isang iglap, nawalan tayo ng trabaho, wala tayong ginawa, and then we're coming up with new ways on how we can be seen on TV. Like for us, entertainers, di ba? But I'm coping well. I'm seeing things in a positive way because, I always believe that at the end of the day, there's always a lesson learned in what's happening.
Miss Aiko, I think life just got even better for you dahil marami kang mga na-inspire sa iyong weight loss journey. Even, moms like me, you've inspired us to get more fit. Nako, ano ba
You
talaga?
are a mom?
Yes, I am.
My God, kung magsalita ka naman, akala ko naman dalaga ka.
Thank
Kailangan
you.
pa ba ma-inspire sa akin? Parang hindi naman
of
na
course,
kailangan.
I have a 5-year-old son. Ayan. At saka I'm sure marami pa mga mommies na sobrang nahihirapan kami to lose weight after giving birth, diba? But how did you do it?
It's an open secret. I went through a procedure. I went through a liposuction under Dr. Eric Yapi. And then, kasi ang wrong connotation ng mga tao, when people goes through a knife or a procedure, akala nila pampapayat ang liposuction. It's not. Ang liposuction is something na pang-contour lang talaga. It's a jump start. So when you get that a certain contour sa katawan mo, that's when the discipline starts.
Pero Miss Aiko, ano yung motivation mo to, towards working for a healthier version of yourself?
I guess I owe it to the public to look good, and it's just they say it's never too late, diba? Because I'm already on my 40s. But I said na parang I don't wanna grow old na looking back na ba't hindi ko ginawa yun, diba? But please don't get me wrong, dun sa mga on a plus size or on a medyo bigger size, we have nothing against that. If whatever what size makes you happy, comfortable, or confident, we are for it because I am not for body shaming. I'm totally against it. Kasi that's something na talagang you have to give respect dun sa view ng isang tao, di ba? Whatever makes them happy, let's give it to them.
Ito, usapang karera naman, Miss Aiko. Siyempre, before tayo nagkaroon ng crisis ngayon, sobrang successful ng Prima Donnas.
Yes, praise God.
Yes. What do you think has greatly contributed to the success of the GMA afternoon series na Prima Donnas?
I guess the teamwork. That everyone else in the set is really good. We have a rapport. We have a good working relationship. Everything is, well, we cannot say fun because we treat our work seriously. But, there's some mutual respect among actors.
Meron kaming pa-short game lang para sa'yo.
Sige.
Kumpletuhin mo yung sentence na ako si Kendra at ako ay, pero yung character mo, Miss Aiko, kailangan yung pina-Kendra. Oo, ako si Kendra at ako ay blank. Parang ganon. Ready ka na? Oo, parang ipapasama ka ngayong umaga
Oo
ng
nga, mga taga-Davao, padala
Kaya
niyo akong
na-miss ka na
pomelo.
namin. Oo, sige, eto na
ng
po.
pomelo on the air.
Pagbalik mo dito sa Mindanao. Sige, eto. Lights, camera, action.
Ako si Kendra Fajardo. Ako ang susunod na reyna ng Lady ng Donaria. Kaya umiwas-iwas kayo dyan. Pero sa totoong buhay, ako si Aiko Melendez. Mabait ako!
Galing. Thank you very much, Miss Aiko. Maraming
It's my
salamat talaga
pleasure.
sa oras mo.
It's my honor and I hope I get to see you not only virtually but when I get to visit Davao because Davao is one of my favorite places to be in.
Thank you very much and have a great day.
You stay safe and God bless you all, and I shall see you soon. Thank you for having me. My pleasure.
Wow, nakita gyud nato ang big transformation ni Miss Aiko. Mao nang dili pa gyud kaayo late mga kapuso para sa mga gustong maging fit and healthy. Chillax lang mo mga kapuso kay mobalik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.